How to make it last all night. 2. The best love in bed, a natural remedy for male potency. The result more than amazing. A natural medicine that improves circulation in blood vessels and strengthens the body. Simple recipe for a strong love in bed: apple, egg, and milk. A recipe for better blood flow, which will prevent stroke and heart attack. Don't throw away egg and milk. The results are amazing even if you are 70 years old. A powerful medicine for strengthening male potency to make it harder and stronger like iron every night. Milk is a well-known aphrodisiac. Apple is excellent for preventing cardiovascular disease. Drink this and he will cry to be with you and never leave you again. Make it as hard as iron with only these 3 ingredients. This recipe is milk, egg, and apple. Drink this tonight for sleep rod in 2 minutes. Power like a horse and stay longer. Durable energy. Amazing natural aphrodisiac foods for males. It also for women who are more desire for foreplay in bed. A natural aphrodisiac for male potency. Get rid of importance problem. It gets bigger and longer. See what happens. Recipe for wake up sleeping hero at home. My kitchen tanja. Cut the apple in a small part to make it easy to crush. Take it in a bowl and add 2 or 3 eggs in the apple. Crush it to make a liquid juice. It is a great source of nutrients to make you stronger and harder banana. If you drink this every day, night or morning, you will get more stronger in bed. Mix the all ingredients properly. Now it's time to add some milk to it. Now add 250 ml liquid cow milk. Mix it and drink again. You will be strong to wake up your sleeping hero